You can use a tool in Google Docs to review and fix spelling errors. To check the spelling in your document, first click the Tools menu. Next, point to spelling and then click Spell Check. Misspelled words are highlighted in the body of your document and you can fix them one at a time. On the right, you can see spelling suggestions. Click a suggestion and then click Change. You can also click Ignore to leave the spelling as it is in the document. To change or ignore all occurrences of a suggestion, next to Change or Ignore, click the down arrow and then select Change All or Ignore All. If names or specialized words are marked as misspelled, you can add them to your personal dictionary. Words added to your personal dictionary will be remembered during the next check and will not be marked as misspelled. To view your personal dictionary, next to Add to Dictionary, click the down arrow and select View Personal Dictionary. Misspelled words are underlined in red in Google Docs, but you can turn off this feature. Click the Tools menu, point to spelling, and then click Underline Errors. Removing the check mark turns off the feature. To close the spell check panel in the top corner, click X.